Welcome! With Tally ERP 9 Release 6.6, you can view your reports using a web browser on any device, anywhere. In this video, we will look at how to quickly set up Tally ERP 9 to access reports from a browser and view your reports on the web browser. Let us now see how to make this happen and get the latest information on demand from anywhere. To use this feature, first, you need to update to Tally ERP 9 Release 6.6. Tally ERP 9 will guide you through the setup process when you connect your company. Open a company in Tally ERP 9 and click F4 to connect. In the security control screen, enter the username and password for company data admin user. This option is shown only if security was not already enabled. A message appears informing you to add a user to connect. Click Yes. Enter a valid TallyNet ID for which you want to give access in the Users for Company screen. This user ID now has access to view reports on browsers. Once you save, your company is connected to give access to the reports. To view the reports, open a browser on any device, such as your smartphone. Log in to www.tallysolutions.com using the TallyNet ID added in the Users for Company screen. Select your company and click on any report you want to view. If you want to get further details of any value, tap on the value to drill down. You can drill down up to the voucher level. That's not all. You can even download the report or invoice as a PDF file. You also have the option to change the report period to view it for any time frame required. Here is your cash flow statement that will give you a clear visibility of your current cash availability. Drill down to see the group-wise cash flow statement and know the contributors to your inflow and outflow. Want to check profits? Just open your profit and loss account to see the income generated. You can also keep a tab on your expenses and check your stock details. Go ahead and explore all the reports on the browser. You can view your day-to-day transactions and analyze the financial health of your business by accessing these reports from anywhere. If you want to give access to these reports to anyone else, create TallyNet IDs for them using the Tally portal. To give browser access to the TallyNet ID, add the same to the user list in your company data. Using this, they can log into the Tally website using the TallyNet ID and view the reports. To learn more about managing browser access, creating security levels, and giving access rights to users, visit help.tallysolutions.com. In short, this release offers you access to your reports from anywhere using any device, an easy setup, and controlled access. So, go ahead and view your reports on the browser with Tally ERP 9 Release 6.6.